This is my first time coming to the peer-to-peer network. I really enjoyed it. I work mainly alone. My crew is part-time seasonal labor. We employ people with barriers to employment, mental health, addiction, homelessness. So we're always hard-pressed to come up with really good financial solutions to make sure that we are profitable enough to continue to offer a lot of employment to our community and to increase our social impact. So being in a room full of peers is really helpful. I already feel very supported by all of the back and forth that happened throughout the day. Jackie is a gold mine of information, and I'm really looking forward to coming back to more of the peer-to-peer groups.
Often when you're in management or you're a business owner, you don't always have someone that's in the same situation as you to talk to. I often say if you're the smartest guy in a room, you're in the wrong room. Getting in this room with these people today lets you talk about situations and problems that are pretty unique to people like us in the green industry.
One of the things that I really liked about it is just speaking with other business owners and seeing that they're in the same struggles that we experience in our business. That it's kind of nice to know that you're not the only one that has obstacles to face in the industry, and also just learning of how they overcome those obstacles.
It's just always really great to hear what everybody else is doing this time of year and the challenges that everybody else has. So it was actually, today's topic was really good timing, because I've been working a lot lately on strategic thinking and strategic planning, and at least trying to organize my time to make time to do that.
You know, if you can just take one thing away from here today, it may not be from the speaker at the front. It may be from one of your peers, you know, mingling or at lunch or something that I've said, you know, then it's all worth it, right? It's all worth it to take at least one thing away today.
I come every year. This is the one peer-to-peer that I always try to attend, primarily because it's convenient with Congress and I'm coming anyways, but also because it's a good day of interacting with colleagues and other people who want to improve themselves.
My favorite takeaway from the day was something one of our fellow peers said about company culture, and how a good company culture is like a garden filled with plants you want. And if you have a garden that's really full of plants you want, then the weeds just kind of disappear on their own. And you don't have to spend as much time pulling weeds as you do in an empty, barren, unhappy garden.
My favorite takeaway from today was help with some time management and some numbers. So, you know, we always go into these looking for little tidbits, little hints that you can pick and take away and possibly, you know, enforce in your own business. So I got a couple good hints on how to look at numbers and what to look for, and I'm excited to get home and try it out.
Did you guys know each other before today?
Nope.
No.
We just happened to be at the same table today.
Yeah, we just happened to be at the same table today. Lindsay's from Ottawa, I'm from Brockville. We're only 45 minutes down the road, so good connections. Not a direct threat in any way, or not direct competition. So always you know, exchange cards and a friendly phone call if I have any questions, or vice versa.
Great. So, so that's another takeaway.
Exactly.
Is friendship.
That's what it is. Yeah.